Éireann na Bhíodhán is our national anthem, but how many people actually know the words? Díomh is Misha Kieran, and in this video I'm going to go through how to pronounce what they mean. Éireann na Bhíodhán is heard at all times you'd expect to hear a national anthem, at official ceremonies, at sporting events, and at the end of all good discos, of course. Ach, farir ní bhíonn na focail eolas ag daoine. Cuidan fá a bhaineann le seo ná tá líorchaí an Gaeilge agus beidir nach bhfuil aine tréis iad a bhíonú dóibh a gceart. Ní higann siad iad a gceart ó na daoine eile tá mór himpeall orthu. Agus an tríú fá beidir tuisciúil na líorchaí an Gaeilge na mún go bhfuil sé sin leis. So even if people have a level of school Irish, they might not recognize that would allow them to kind of recognize the words in Éireann na Bhíodhán. There might be some words that throw them a bit because they're in Conowint na Mún Munster dialect. Mas mín leat tilla álam faoi Ghaelin áling na Mún, tá mé tréis srafi seán éanamh le Seán McAntonig ar sin, chuirhí mé nasc suas agus ba nasc híos sa chuirsias freisin, mas mín leat dul agus sin, ach inis raci mé aráscadí Éireann na Bhíodhán. So, yeah, I think if you had the words explained a little bit, many Irish people might realise that they know a lot of the words from different contexts already, so that's what I hope to do in this video. Patrick Harney wrote the lyrics for this, agus tá sé spéisiúil, scríbú i méarla ar dús é, so the Irish is a translation. Is far aithne atá an legan Gaeilge áfach. It was translated to Irish by Liam O'Rinn, Blacliach, and a Northsider who actually is from Ballybach, which is not far from Clontarf where I grew up, so that's my fact of the day. I'm very proud of him. Far an spéisiúil ach níl mé condol ar Seachrán Umlan. Agus Patrick Heaney a scríb an Fown. An chuid a bheits á bhíonú a go maniu ná an curfa, so it's the chorus that you generally hear sung at events, and that's what I'm going to run through today. First I'll say the Irish, then I'll say the English. Bear in mind that the English was written first and the Irish is a translation. Ach is astrucán filata é, astrucán alianta, so don't expect a word for word translation. Agus an sin raci mé tríd cad sprí leis na focail ille. Sinna fianna fáil atá fé gheall ag Éireann. Soldiers are we whose lives are pledged to Ireland. So sinna is the first word, agus tá sé spéisiúil bíonn an céad ocail mícheart ag daoine in amantí. Sé na fianna fáil a cantar, well sinna chluisiom daoine a canna go minic. So sinna is we. So it's me, me, you, he, she, we. Me, tú, sé, she, sin. So they're saying sinna fianna fáil. You might know Sinn from the political party Sinn Féin, which means ourselves. Fianna Fáil means soldiers of Ireland. So Fianna, like na Fianna, Fionn McCool's men, agus an Sinn Féin, which is a name for Ireland, an ancient kind of name used in poetry and things. Atá fé gheall. So people might not recognise this word fé. That's the Munster Irish, sin Conowint na Mún. So úsáid an daoine fé in áit faoi. So má tá tú ag léir le duine ó cuaig an mún seans go néir siad fé láthair, nó rudaige mar sin seachas faoi. So faoi gheall means under pledge. So tá siad faoi gheall ag Éireann, they're under pledge to Ireland. Buin dar slua hartin the ránig cuin. Some have come from a land beyond the wave. So buin is a band, like a band of soldiers. Dar means our, so we own it. Slua is a force or an army, which is actually the first definition of it in the dictionary, but I'd never heard it. Well, I had heard it like that, but I would never usually hear it used that way. I would hear slua meaning the second definition, which is like a crowd of people. Interestingly, that's one of the Irish words that have made it into the English language. So if you say like a slew of items, like S-L-E-W, that comes from slua in Irish. Hartin means over the waves. Har is over tin. You might know ton, which is like a wave from the song Trastan and Dunta, Peter. Do ránig cuing. So do, again, Táid Jarashig cuig a moon rud. So people from Munster in the dialect can say do sometimes before a past tense verb in the positive. So that they might say do vi instead of just vi. So do ránig. Yeah, ránig is one of these verbs that like it doesn't really, you don't really hear it a lot. Ach úsátir san aimim scata é agus cílíonn sé cuid de cheannachchaint cuaig a moon is é. It means to arrive. So ceapan daoine gur bé tháinig an focail an seo agus tuigim cén fág go gceapadí sé sin. Fé bhóid bheith shantir ar sinsir fasta. Sworn to be free, no more our ancient sireland. I actually thought that sireland was a typo here, but no, it's actually a word in English, and it means a fatherland. So fé bhóid, What does fé mean? Now we know. Fé is a Cúig Moon thing and it means fui. So táid fui vods veser. So fui vods means under vow. Veser, to be free. Scríbú an taran seo ní de agus ag an am sin dar nóí bhí anna cuidíní in Éireann ag smína bheith ser. Ireland wasn't free at the time, so ser would have been a big word in the zeitgeist. And then in the 20s, actually Saoirse, which means freedom, became popular as a given name. So févód bheith ser, sean tír. So sean tír is just two words put together. That happens a lot in Irish. You can kind of stick words together like they're stuck with glue, but they're actually stuck with a H usually. To make them stick together, you put in a shevu on the one that's in the second half. Ach, sa cás seo, níl aon HM, just sean agus tír. So sean means old and tír means country. So the old country, R, sinshire, so R is our. Sinshire, so sean means old, nís sinna means older. Sinshire means ancestors. If you say sean wather, that means, so mother is máthar, sean wather is old mother, which actually means grandmother, and sin sean wather would mean great grandmother. Fasta means from now on. Ní ág for féin tíran ná féin trál, shall shelter the despot or the slave. So áit a ágáil faoi dhuine means to allow someone the run of the place. So literally to have it under you. I kind of feel like in English you'd say leave it up to you. So if I say fog fum say in Irish, it means leave it under me, but what it means is leave it to me, let me deal with it. So we're not going to leave it up to the tíran or the trál. So a tíran is a tyrant, a despot. So that's from the Latin tyrannus, from the Greek tyrannus. Agus an tarna count ná féin trál, cílín trál slave. So a trál is like, I actually never knew this before. I'm enthralled by this etymology. So it comes from an Old English word which means a slave. Yeah, thrall. A nocht a haim sa bharn of whale. Tonight me man the barn of whale. Severla in the English they use that Irish phrase barn of whale. So a nocht a haim. So a nocht is tonight. So if you speak German, you know that nacht is night. Das is mar an géine. A haim. So Taimwish is what that actually means. It's Rud Cúig Moon. So tonight we man on Bharna Bhuil. Barna, you know that from maybe in school, Lean the Barney, fill the gaps. Barna is a gap. Bhuil, well, Bhuil is danger. So it's the gap of danger. Agus treis riint Porshal hart ochlori agus sanvina a win and slep. Ve guga. The gap of danger is the breach, which is a hole or like a gap in a wall, which is usually made by an attacking army. So we are all going to man that hole, you know, and why are we going to do it? Le gaun ghail con bosh no sail. So that's in Aaron's cause, come woe or wheel. So le gaun means with affection. Gra agus gaun is like love and affection. Con bosh to death or conceal to life. Le gunna screach fe lavach na belair. So mid cannons roar and rifles peal. So le gunna screach, with gun, like gunna is a gun. Screach is like a screech. So with guns screeching, with the screeching of guns, fe lavach na belair. So under fire, fe lavach, fui lavach, as we know it's a Cúig Moon thing. Na belair, so under fire of bullets. Shall live Conig Auron Navian. So it's like Sholiv is like let you, or because like Sholin means like let's go. I think that's how at the start of the video. Sholin. It's like let's go. So let us Conig Aron Levian. So Conig is a Cúig Moon thing. It's Conigi. So it's doch a gwil on Irim Shinner Sigdini. That Iggy at the end, it's the mo ordahach. You're ordering someone to do something. So Beidir Gnort Muntorlat Sigi Shias. So Sishias will be one person. Sigi Shias is more than one person. Con Auron is talking to one person. Conigi Auron is talking to more than one. But that's in the Kaidan. We're talking in Cúig Moon. So it's Conig Auron Navian. Agus an sin tosi mit léir gula bus. Agus tosi in níoscom an piasa sport. No, is cílín sé gúil deire táí leis an disco. Agus go sin andalháile. Sinné, I'll read the whole thing again now if you want, just the Irish, and then you can practice. Sinna fianna fáil atá faoi gheall ag éireann, buin dar slua thar tin do ránig cuain. Fé bhód bheséir sean tír ar sin seir fasta ní ágfar féin tíran ná féin trál. A nocht a héam sa bharna bhfuil, le geann ar ghail chun báis nó saoil, le gona scréach fé lábhach na biléir, seo libh caníg árán na bhíon. Mas spéis le tuile elam faoin Gaeilge, tá sra agam dar banam what the focal agus is féad leat é sinna aimsú by nasc híos sa cursius. Sinna méid weimse Kieran slán inis.